dear children, welcome back to Gurudev Online Classes for the new academic year 2021-22. I am Niranjan. Dear Chotu, we are going to discuss about the first chapter, knowing our numbers. Yes, where we are going to use the numbers in our daily life. Without numbers, we can't imagine our life because we are depending on numbers. Dear Chotu, for example, in the classroom, we are going to use while we are going to count the students, number of present students 1 2 3 4 5. See, we are going to use the number, okay, and also we used to count the concrete objects. I mean, concrete objects is nothing but feel and touch. So this is example of concrete object. Book is example of concrete object, okay, and the table, fan, man, okay. One, we are going to use 1 2 3 4 5 17 19 20 100 1001 1002 1002 1003, okay, 3001 3002 3004. So we are going to use the numbers in our daily life. And also while we are subtracting, adding, I mean basic operation, if we are using basic operations, the numbers is very important. So without numbers we can't imagine our life. Dear Chotu, let us try to understand and also try to recall what we have learned and also what are the basic thing in the numbers. The first one is comparing numbers. Dear Chotu, how to compare the numbers? Observe here. Here is 4875, 3542. Which is bigger number? Comparing of numbers is nothing but to find out bigger number and smaller number. Dear Chotu, you start from higher places. Here is 1000 place is the higher. Here 1000 place is the higher. Just to compare first digit and first digit. Here the first digit is 4. The first digit is 3. Which is the bigger digit? Of course, the 4 is the bigger digit. That's why whole number is very bigger than second one. I mean 3542. So if we compare these two numbers, so 4875 is the bigger than 3542. Are you clear? This is the method of comparing of numbers. For one more example, here is 4, here is 4. Just if two digits, two both sides are same digits, just you move forward. Observe here. Here is 4, here is 4. Just you move forward in the next place. Which is the next place? The next place is 100. Here is 100. Compare 100 and 100 place. Here is 8. Here is 5. Which is the bigger digit? Yes, 8 is the bigger digit. That's why whole number is bigger. I mean 4875 is the bigger than 4542. Are you clear? So it is bigger number 4875. This is the method of comparing. Okay, this is the small basic concept. Let us move another concept. How many numbers can you make by the help of the given number is 9741. By the help of 9741, just a minute, consider a single digit 9741. By the help of 9741, how many numbers can you make? Let us see here. The given number is 9741. You may consider 9741 is one of the number. Okay, it's not a wrong. One of the number. Another number is, just you may take 7 here itself. 4 here is 1 here itself. Just you may take 9 at last. So we got one more number 7419. Next 4 as it is, 1 as it is, 9 as it is. Take 7 at last. So we got one more number. So 4197, 4197. Are you clear? 1 as it is, 9 as it is, 7 as it is, 4 you may take at last. So we got one more new number, new value 1974. So this is 4 number. We got a 4 number, and we can make number of we can make many numbers. Okay, for example, you may take 4179. You may interchange 4179, 4179. We got another number. We can form number of many numbers. Okay, this is the method. How many numbers can we make? We can make many numbers. Okay, many numbers. And point to be noted, while we are forming numbers, while we are creating a new numbers by the help of given digits, Which is the bigger number? Of course, you are very well about to know ascending order and descending order. See, ascending order, smaller to bigger. See, observe here. Smaller is 1, next 4, next 9, next 7, next last is 9. So, smaller number by the help of 9741 is 1479. Bigger number is, just you may arrange bigger digit to smaller digit. 9, next is 7, next digit is 4, next digit is 1. So we got bigger number 9741. You may form many numbers. Finally, ascending order, descending order. If you concentrate ascending order and descending order, we will get this type of numbers. Okay. This is the another concept. Now, number, how many numbers can you make? Just you may take any digits and form numbers. Many numbers. Okay, Chotu? Yes. Next concept is ascending order and descending order in the groups. Ascending order and descending order. Dear Chotu, here is the example. First, we should know ascending order. Ascending order is the thing, but you start from smaller number. I mean, begins from smaller number and at bigger number. Okay? Ascending order is the thing, but smaller number is first, bigger number is end. Descending order is vice versa process of ascending order. Bigger starts from bigger number and at smaller number. Okay? Yes, let us form ascending order in the given problem. Chotu, which is the smaller number in the given group? Here is 800, 3 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit, 3 digit. First you may compare 3 digit numbers. Here is 847, 571. Of course, if you compare higher places, this one and this one, so the 5 is the smaller, that's why whole number is smaller. 571. Come on. Next digit, of course, 847. Compare these two. Which is the smaller out of these two? Here is 9, here is 8. That's why whole number is, this is smaller. Smaller is nothing but it takes third place, 8320. The final number is, last number is 9754. I hope you have understood. Okay, it's very easiest to concept. This is ascending order. What about descending order? By the help of ascending order, you may arrange vice versa. The first place is 9754, next 8320, next 847, next 571. It belongs to page number 5. Are you clear? Page number 5. Rest of the problems is your homework. Very easiest examples. Rest of the problems is your homework. Okay, Chotu, let us move one more concept, shifting numbers. What is the meaning of shifting numbers? Dear Chotu, here is an example, 795. If we change the order, last order to first order to last order, what happens actually? Observe here, 7, 9, 5 is the given value. This is ones place, tens place, 100 place. If we change ones place to 100 place, 100 place to ones place, what type of number will we get? Observe here, 5 is here, 9 as it is, 7 is go at last. Okay, ended at last. See, we got 595. If we compare given number and another number, okay, see 795, 597. Which is the bigger number? Yes, 795 is the bigger than 597. Okay. Which is the smaller number? 597 is the smaller number. Sometimes it happens, it depends on the given value. Are you clear? This is the concept, very simple concept of shifting digits. One more example. Example 2. I'll take any other smaller, any digits. 9, 4, 2. Okay. I'll change the order. See, 2 is here, 9 as it is, 4 as it is, 9 goes to at last. So we got 249. So the bigger number is 942. Smaller number, if we change the order, we will get smaller number. So the smaller number is 249. Okay, let us move next concept. Let us discuss another content introducing 10,000, lakh, larger numbers. Observe very carefully. One digit smaller number is 1. One digit greater number is 9. Add 1 to the greater single digit number, we will get smaller digit 2 number. 2 digit smaller number, 10. 10 is the 2 digit smaller number. Which is the greater 2 digit number? Greater 2 digit number or bigger 2 digit number is 99. Add 1 to the greater 2 digit number, 99 plus 1, we will get 3 digit smaller number. 3 digit smaller number is 100. Dear Chotu, which is the greater 3 digit number? The greater 3 digit number is 999. Add 1 to the greater 3 digit number, we will get smaller 4 digit number. Smaller 4 digit number is 1000. The greater 4 digit number is 9999. Add 1 to the greater 4 digit number. Add 1 to the greater 4 digit number, 9999 plus 1. We will get 5 digit smaller number. Okay, 5 digit smaller number is 10,000. Okay, 5 digit smaller number is 10,000. 5 digit greater number is 99,999. Are you clear? Yes. Add 1 to the greater 5 digit number. Add 1 to the greater 5 digit number. We will get smaller 6 digit number. Smaller 6 digit number is 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh. Greater 6 digit number is 9,99,999. This is the greater 6 digit number. Add 1 to the greater 6 digit number, we will get smaller 7 digit number. Okay, smaller 7 digit number is 10 lakh. Smaller 7 digit number is 10 lakh. Okay, which is the greater 7 digit number? Greater 7 digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. 99 lakh 99,999 is the greater 7 digit number. Add 1 to the greater 7 digit number, we will get smaller 8 digit number. Smaller 8 digit number is 1 crore. Observe here. 1 crore. Which is the greater 8 digit number? The greater 8 digit number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999 is the greater 8 digit number. And be aware about, dear children, how many zeros in crore position and 10 lakh position, 1000 position. Are you clear? Be aware about zeros. And here is small information. 100 is equals to 10 tens. 100 rupee note is equals to how many 10 rupee note? 10 rupee note. Are you clear? 1000 rupee is equals to 1000 is equals to 10 hundreds or 100 tens. 1 lakh is equals to 100 thousands or 1000 hundreds. Okay, 1 crore is equals to 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs is equals to how many crore? 1 crore. 1 crore is equals to how many lakhs? 100 lakhs. Okay, 1 crore is equals to 100 lakhs or 1 crore is equals to how many thousands? 10,000 thousands. Be aware about small information and also tabular column. Let us move next content. Let us discuss another content and aid in reading and writing large numbers and also use commas. Dear children, there are two place value system. First one is Indian place value system and another is international place value system. In the Indian place value system, hundreds, tens and ones is one group. 10,000, 1000 is one group. And 10 lakh is one group. 10 crore is one group. Okay, this is what intervals. This is one interval, this is another interval, this is another interval. In the international place value system, 100, 10, ones is one group, and 100,000, 10,000, 1000 is one group, and here 100 million, 10 million, and million is one group. Are you clear? Let us take an example. I'll take example from the exercise 1.1 page number 12. Third main, I'll take example 382645. What is the number name? They should observe here the 8, it occupies the place 10 lakh, and also digit 5 occupies the place lakh. So this is one group. That's why the number name is 85 lakh 46,283. Okay, write a number name. 85 lakh 46,000 46,283. 283. And also use comma. Observe here, first 3 digit after one interval, ones, tens, hundred. Here is the first interval. Next after 2 digit, one more interval. This is the method of Indian place value system. Let us take another example. Third main, D. Observe here, first use a comma. 3 digit after first interval, next 2 digit after one interval, next 2 digit after one interval. So what is the number name? Number name is 9 crore 84 lakh 32,000 32,701. This is the answer of exercise 1.1. Okay, 1.1 third main. Let us move another place value system, international place value system. Example 4, exercise 1.1, C main. Example 4, C main. Observe here are digits. You may write as per the international place value system. The first interval starts from 3 digit after 3 digit, next after 3 digit, next after 3 digit. It goes on like this. Okay, every 3 digit there is an interval. Are you clear? Just read a number name. Observe here. 99. Observe here. 99. 9 is here. 9 is here. 99,985,000. Okay. 99,985,102. Once again, 99,985,102 is the number name. Okay, this is fourth main, C1. Okay, rest of the problems is your homework. You may solve the classwork. I will meet you in the next video. Let us solve the exercise 1.1 problems. Until, have a nice day. Thank you.